All right, our second video is going to be a continuation of sales tax, where we look at the tip, which is an addition that we add to, the sales tax and tip, and they're both additions. So let's look at what we have here. Where it says a tip is a tip or gratuity, that's the same thing, is a small amount of money in return for service. So like if you went to the restaurant, you leave a tip on the table or pay at the register for the services that you received. The total price is the regular price of the service plus the tip. So let's look at our first example, and another thing you're going to have to do here is the percent, change the percent to a decimal. Okay, so if you ate at a restaurant and your bill totaled $58 and you left a 20% tip, how much was your total bill? So if we start with the tip and we change the percent to a decimal, so we're going to change 20% to 0.20 times the whole amount, which is $58. And if you multiplied those two together, you're going to get $11.60. And remember, we said the tip was an addition, so we're going to add it. So we're going to go right down here. We're going to add the tip to the cost of food. The cost of food was $58, and then we're going to add the $11.60. So the total amount that you paid at that restaurant was $69.60. So remember, this is a step one, and then this is the step two. So there's two steps for tip, okay? So let's look at the next one. This one is a different way that we can do this for tip, and this is tip and tax, is a restaurant bill comes to $28.35 and the tax is $6.25 and the tip is 20%. Let's add the sales tax, which is $6.25 plus the 20% tip. And we get 26.25%. Change it to a decimal, which would be 0.2625 times, let's erase that. That's right, times the 28.35. Sorry, guys, got ahead of myself. 28.35. And when we multiply those two together, we get $7.44. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to add that answer to the amount of the bill, the first amount, which is $28.35, plus the $7.44, and you're going to get $35.79 is the total that you paid in that restaurant for that meal. Like I said in the first video, I do expect y'all to ask questions because you're going to need help, and that's what I'm here for.